Hello guys, how are you all doing? Guys, today we are making stew. This is making stew. So this is another stew video for you guys. So guys, yeah, the ingredients that I'm going to use in there, I have some curry, some nutmeg, some bay leaves, some rosemary, and some thyme, guys. So I just add them into the pot. So yeah, the proteins that I'm going to use, I have some cow legs, some ishaki in here, some turkey wings. Those are the protein that I have inside this pot, guys. So I also add some onions into it, guys. So yeah, I've covered that up to cook. So here I also have in here I have some oil, then I just add onions into it, guys. So we are going to fry these onions. So I will also add a little bit of curry into this oil, guys. This will give your stew a beautiful aroma, that sweet, delicious aroma, guys. That is what this curry will give to your stew. Okay, so let's fry these onions to the taste that we want it to be, to how I want it to be, guys, like so. Yeah, guys, this is how I want the onions to be. I fried it to how I want it. Okay, guys, so here I'm going to be adding tomatoes into this pot. All right, so here we're going to fry our tomatoes. These tomatoes, I bought these tomatoes, guys. So I bought some fresh tomatoes and some fresh tatashe. Okay, is it not tatashe they call it? Should I call it red bear? No, it's not bell pepper, so it is tatashe. You guys know that we have dry tatashe, we also have fresh one. So this one is a fresh one. You can see the color that the tatashe gives to the stew, right? The stew is so red. Yeah, guys. So we are going to fry these tomatoes. We'll fry it and fry it and fry it to the taste that I want it to be. Guys, do you guys, I don't really know why stew always make a mess whenever one is cooking stew. If you don't cover it up, if you don't cover your pot while you are cooking stew, your kitchen will be messed up. Oh my goodness, everywhere will be full of tomatoes. So that's why I normally cover up my pot whenever I'm cooking stew. Oh my word, guys. So yeah, I have some other seasoning cube. I have one chicken, right? Yeah, no chicken and jumbo. Guys, that jumbo seasoning is so good, guys. It's a very good seasoning. I like it. Yeah, guys, those are the seasoning. After adding all the protein, then here I'm going to add the fried fish. What is stew without fish, guys? What is stew without fried fish? For me, oh my god, I must add fish to my stew. If I do not add if I did not add Titus fish, is it not Titus fish they call it? If I did not add Titus fish to my stew, I will add Melusa fish, alright? Yeah, Titus fish. Or you call it what other name did this fish have? Um oh, I've forgotten the name, alright? I've forgotten the name, guys, so I forgot the name. I know he has other name. Okay, it's yep. Like so, guys, this stew is looking so delicious, and it was so good, guys. Oh my word, you can see how red it is. This stew was so yummy and delicious as always, guys. So now let's cook the rice, okay, that we are going to use for this delicious stew. So here is my pot. I have water in it. I allow that water to heat up a little bit before I add the rice. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're going to cook the rice and like so. Mm. So guys, here it is. Here it is, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Guys, what do you think? Did I try it? hope I try you. Well, everyone have their own way of cooking their food, their own way of cooking their stew. So this is also my own way of cooking mine. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys know that I have a YouTube channel, right? There is a lot of video that I post on my YouTube channel that I don't post on page, okay guys? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Look for Lady Daniela's Kitchen, alright? Lady Daniela's Food and Lifestyle. So guys, thank you all for watching. Bye. Mwah! Bye.